Hey guys, how's it going? So this is a video about my thoughts on the conference call of High Tide. I think it was a very good conference call. There was a lot of tough questions asked, and I really enjoyed it. Um, if you haven't seen it yet, it's on my channel. I'm not gonna provide a link because I'm too damn lazy. But if you want to see it, just look at my channel. It's there somewhere. It should say High Tides fourth quarter conference call, earnings conference call. So check that out if you want to. If you don't, no, whatever. It's not a big deal. But it was a really good conference call. There was a lot of tough questions asked, and I believe in this company long term. But just because I say that, and oh yeah, I have to disclose that I did take some profit. Why? Because I think short term this stock could move down further. Because when a stock doesn't go up, it tends to go down. So I'm going to I sold because I took profits because I'm gambling that the stock price is going to move down further, and I can buy back that position that I sold out at a profit at a lower price and do some swing trading. But I could have made a mistake here, and this stock could take off like a rocket tomorrow. I don't know. You know, that's the gamble I have to take for selling and taking profit. But I still have a decent position in this company, and I still believe in this company long term. So we'll see what happens, but I have a feeling that short term we could see this thing go back down to around 75 cents ish. So if it does, I will buy back my position. So we'll see what happens. But if it takes off like a rocket, then I still have a position. I have a decent sized position in this company, and I still believe in this company long term. But I'm scared that a short term it could go down to 75 cents. So I didn't want to just sit there and just bag hold. So I took some profit. Again, I could have made a mistake. So let's move on to some exciting stuff. So what I found really, really good in this conference call is that Raja Grove was talking about how long term the US will outpace the revenue for the Canadian side. That means that he has big plans for the United States. He is aggressively moving into the United States, and I really like that. That's why I'm a long-term investment, because that's the right move to make. The United States, that's where the money is. It's not Canada. The United States is where the money is at, and I'm very happy to see him aggressively moving into the United States through acquisitions. And this is the reason why I believe in this company for the long term, because of the aggressive move into the United States and the fact that he expects that long-term revenue in the United States will outpace the Canadian revenue, and that puts a smile on my face. So we could see this company generate $500 million, you know, in 2022, 2023. So, you know, long term, I believe in High Tide. Short term, it could pull back, but only time will tell. And then the NASDAQ listing. He talked about the NASDAQ listing, and the question asked about a reverse split. They say that they are on the fence about a reverse split. I am fine with a reverse split, right? I may lose, you know, I lose shares, but I don't really lose value. But then the float of the company becomes tighter. So I am fine with it as long as they get that NASDAQ listing, because that NASDAQ listing will attract more investors like the Robinhood crowd. And when the Robinhood crowd gets attracted, that could translate into sales of their products on the Grass City and the other one they have, Smoke Cartel. So having them list on the Nasdaq will attract even more investors, more retail investors, which will translate to even more sales. And another thing they talked about that was really exciting, besides the Nasdaq listing and the and growing in the United States, they said that right now in the US there is huge demand for their products, like huge demand. They have a really big demand for their products. So I think that when, like, not the next earnings, but the earnings after the next earnings, the one that we're currently in, February, March, April. Wait, no. So it would be January would be the end of the quarter. So that'd be February, March, April. So February, March, April should be a very good quarterly report, and we're in March right now. So and I'm thinking that the sales exploded during the month of February because there was a huge amount of investor interest, and that could have translated into a huge amount of sales from the store. So I'm expecting huge earnings, especially on the US side, in the month of February, March, and April. So we'll see what happens. But I'm very excited for this company's future. So we'll see what happens. Yeah. So anyways, that's all I really have to say for the High Tide earnings report. Let's move on. Like Rocket Company. Woo! Look at that. I have a 0 position in that, but that thing just took off like a rocket. Pun intended, but boom. Just boom. Rocket. That's crazy. I mean, I think they had earnings not too long ago, and the earnings must have really been impressive. I wish I still held onto this stock because I could have made so much money. Too late. I mean, this is something that is so unexpected, but I could have made like 50% of my money in such a short amount of time. SOS today is up 58 cents. I will still not buy SOS because I don't trust it. If you guys believed in the company, then great, go buy it. But I'm gonna personally stay away from it. I feel like there's just too much shadiness. Even if like the short seller has been proven wrong or whatever, it's just I don't know. I don't like it. I feel like this company is latching onto the crypto market because it's such a hard market, and right now I don't trust it. But you guys trust it, then yeah, go ahead. All more power to you. Yeah. GameStop. GameStop today is up 9.76%. That's pretty good. Looks like there's some big retail money backing this company at the moment. I don't know what's going on, like why GameStop is going up like this, but it is what it is. So, AMC could be a buying opportunity right now. I don't know for sure. It could go down lower. I still have my position in AMC. So, yeah. Anyways, that's all I really have to say in my video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for future updates, and have a great day. Bye.